Isn't this just amazing? Simply put, this car is designed by a world-class team that pushes the status quo for those that are sick of the status quo. The Alsvin is a smart sedan with elegant yet aggressive styling. As one steps inside, the sporty cockpit is balanced with a plush ivory beige cabin, powered by Pakistan's first Euro 5 engine, giving you a luxurious ride comfort with agile handling. Not to mention, the Alsvin has many features that customers of this segment could previously only have dreamt of. The Alsvin will be available in 3 trims. The first is the 1.3-litre 5-speed manual transmission variant. Alongside this will be the 1.5-litre 5-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission.